Alright, can she hear? Now, one thing you can do is it's always a hearing test. And so you make a little noise by the ear, and the ear should react to it. Well, barely any reaction. We will be taking you to the vet to find out if we're gonna ask them about it. Maybe she's just very good at ignoring us.